So there is a story of girl Rita. Before you start writing the answers, you should see कि ये question किस तरह से based है. If you could see it's kind of a paragraph जिसमें पूरी story दी हुई है. So there is a Rita, a girl, उसकी class के related story है. You can see few keywords like punished, scolded, teacher came in, entered the class. So that's how you define yourself कि मैंने कैसे इसको attempt करना है. So the first I have written, Rita was very excited. क्यों excited थी? Reason, the new teacher, because the new teacher was going to come to her class. उसकी class में एक नई teacher आने वाली. So we are writing because here. She waited quietly, dash others made lot of noise. Now two things are happening at the same time. So we can use while. So we are going to tick because and we are going to tick while. This is what we have used already. The teacher would get such a bad impression that she heard. Now she here is a teacher. So if she heard them. So we're using if over here. So that's what we have used. Then is this was not the first time dash her class was making noise. So we can use that her class is making noise. So we have also used that. Even dash they have been punished many times. Even though, जबकि उनको बहुत बार punishment मिल चुकी है. So let's say that we have used though as well. They never keep quiet. जब तक क्या होता है? Unless they are scolded. Rita decided to tell them to be quiet. Before she could do so, the teacher came in. वो कहने वाली थी और उसके पहले this has happened. There was pin drop silence. Dash the teacher entered the class. So we can use when. Now it's telling a kind of a place. Thank God she had come. Dash the whole class would have been punished. So we can use here otherwise. So let's see, check how many we have done. We are done with otherwise, we have done with unless, when, and now we are left, we have already done with before, we are left with till. So let's see if till can fit over here. That means all our answers are correct. The whole class would have been punished. Again, the class did not speak, dash the teacher left, till the teacher left. दोबारा से क्लास कब तक नहीं बोली? जब तक टीचर didn't leave. So that's how you can fit up the things. It takes good amount of efforts to fit. You can fit as much as possible, change them, and that's the best way you have done. Fine. So next they are saying, they have given a aid box. Aid means help. Although and but, because, as, and in these brackets we need to use it. So let's see. This is going to be very simple. Again, if you could see, this is written in some were, had. So this is a kind of a past story which somebody is telling. And if I could see match, winning, center, something related to match. So let's see. We all were very, dash the final day was near. As the final day was near. We had practiced hard, but we were sure we would lose the match. On the contradictory है कि हमें लगा कि हमें प्रैक्टिस बहुत करी लेकिन हम मैच लूज करेंगे. So contradictory में we use but. Moving further, dash we had some good players, the chances of winning were less. So we can simply use although over here. Although हमारे पास अच्छे players तो थे. Where do we use although? Can we check it once? Contrast. Again we use although for contrast. So we could have used like something else as well, but we had option of using although, so we are using although here. Then is, we had some good prayers, the chances of winning were less. क्यों थे chances of winning were less? Reason is, reason they have given, because the goalkeeper, our goalkeeper was injured, and कौन कौन था? एक तो डाउन विद फीवर था, दूसरा इंजर्ड है, तो एंड हो गया, additional and. Very simple. So today I have tried solving the exercises along with you. So that's how you can do it. No doubt I'll be sending the answer key as well. So that's how you behave with the conjunctions. And remember, you have to do this on your own. Try writing this. Thank you so much.